You want your makeup to look glowy and dewy with a good cover. If you want to achieve this look, then keep watching. Hi guys, my name is Saba and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do a glowy makeup with a full cover foundation and what things I do and how I prep my skin, the products that I use. So let's just quickly start the video. Okay, so first I use this Clinique moisturizer to prep my skin. I don't use too much, just a little bit. Amber Yoli's moisturizing primer. Then before I apply my foundation, I use this Merit Great Skin Serum, and I haven't used that in a while. I always forget, but tonight I was like, I have to use it. You know, because I bought it in mini and it's so small, I always forget it. After these, I apply my foundation. I use this Persian foundation because it has a good cover. It is very cheap and still light and doesn't get cakey, even though it has a good cover. And it was, I think, like $3 or $4. For my concealer, I use this NARS Creamy Concealer. I always buy my concealer in very natural shades. I don't go for very white. I don't go for very white concealers. That was so little, just to apply a little bit concealer, and then I will apply the last layer of my concealer at the end after my powder and everything. Not my powder, I mean my bronzer and everything. For bronzer, I use this Kiko bronzer. It looks like this. It's a sticky bronzer. NARS blush and I apply a little bit because it is so pigmented. Don't use too much because you will regret it. Oh, this is too much, but I can handle it. my eyes, I use this Dior palette, and I use a brush like this, and I use this one. We want everything to be super natural and elegant. We don't want to do anything extra. I take a little fluffy brush like this, and I use this color here. Then this one. I want everything to be natural and elegant. And for my brows, I use this clear brow gel. Take the extra off from any brow gel. Then for my lips, I use this Smashbox creamy lipstick. Add this Idun creamy lipstick on top. And then I add this glam. Let me show you what it looks like. I don't know what it's even called. It's a lip plumper. Looks like this. First, I take the extra oil off my lips. Then I add this. Then I'm gonna add my concealer again. I'm not gonna use any mascara because I just don't want to, but you can use a mascara if you want to. And then I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Banana Bread setting powder, and I'm not gonna use its applicator, and I'm gonna use a brush like this. I hate the packaging of the mini Huda setting powders. And this is it. I am ready. My baby hairs are driving me crazy. This is it. I am ready. It's one of the easiest glowy makeups. And yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.